To sell assets from your Phantom wallet, you will typically need to use a decentralized exchange or a marketplace that supports Solana assets. Here's a guide to help you sell your assets. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet app and log in using your password. Choose the asset to sell. Navigate to the Assets tab in your wallet to see your balance of SOL or other tokens. Select the token you want to sell. Use a decentralized exchange. Phantom Wallet doesn't support direct sales of tokens. To sell your tokens, you will need to connect to a Solana-based DEX such as Raydium, Serum or Saber. Visit the DEX's website and click Connect Wallet. Connect Phantom Wallet. Choose Phantom Wallet from the list of wallet options. A pop-up will appear from Phantom, requesting permission to connect. Click Approve to establish the connection. Select the trading pair. On the DEX platform, select the trading pair you want. Enter the amount you wish to sell. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm the sale. After approval, your funds will be swapped for the desired token in your Phantom wallet.